Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today we're diving into the symptoms of a bad head gasket. So let's know, what does a head gasket do? The head gasket plays a crucial role in sealing the combustion chamber, coolant passages, and oil passages inside your engine. It prevents fluids from mixing or leaking out. The head gasket sits between the engine block and the cylinder head, and in some engines, there are two cylinder heads, meaning two gaskets. So the first symptoms is oil and coolant mixing. One of the first signs of a failing head gasket is oil mixing with coolant. You might notice a cappuccino-colored sludge on your dipstick or a milky substance under the oil cap or coolant cap. This happens when the gasket tears, allowing coolant to leak into the oil passages or vice versa. The second symptoms is overheating engine. A bad head gasket can cause engine overheating. You'll see the temperature gauge rise, and in extreme cases, the engine may even start smoking. This happens when coolant leaks into the combustion chamber, where it gets burned off. If you keep refilling your coolant but don't see any external leaks, this could be the cause. The third symptoms is thick white smoke from the exhausts. If you notice thick white smoke coming from your tailpipe, it's a sign that coolant is burning inside the combustion chamber. This smoke travels through the exhaust manifold and out the tailpipe. However, don't confuse this with condensation, which is normal on cold days. The fourth symptoms is poor engine performance. A failing head gasket can cause your car to feel sluggish and underpowered. In some cases, you may even get a check engine light and misfire codes. You can use an OBD2 scanner to check for these codes. This happens because the head gasket can no longer seal the combustion chamber properly, leading to a loss of compression. Since compression is essential for engine power, a failing gasket means reduced performance and efficiency. The fifth symptoms is bubbles in the coolant reservoir. Another sign of a blown head gasket is bubbles forming in the coolant reservoir or radiator. This happens when combustion gases escape through the damaged gasket and enter the cooling system. If you notice consistent bubbling while the engine is running, it's worth checking further. The sixth symptoms is external coolant or oil leaks. A blown head gasket may cause visible coolant or oil leaks along the seam, where the cylinder head meets the engine block. If you see puddles of coolant or traces of oil running down the side of the engine, a head gasket issue could be the culprit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.